Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will show you how to create a clean and a professional email signature that you can use for work or personal email. So first thing first, click on send a message. Here there is insert, click under signature, go to signature. Here let's go to add a new signature, give it a name. So let's say I'm gonna just give it my name. All right, so here I did prepare everything on Pages. You can use Word or even Microsoft if you have it on as an application. So we want to end up with this result, right? Here is step by step what I did. You can just go ahead and insert a table. So we don't need all of this, obviously. I'm gonna go to column. So, and here we just need one row. I'm gonna just copy and paste. So here is our text. You just need to fill up your information and insert my picture here. And that's it. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, here is how you can adjust your table. Now, I don't want to see these borders. So for that, I'm gonna go to table outline, click here and press 9. Now, I still have this line. Okay, what can I do with this? Let's go ahead, grid lines, and yeah, just click that button. So now it's time to copy and paste this. So you can just click Command C and go ahead here, Command V. Okay, now you see that we don't have the picture. It's okay, just click Insert, Image, go ahead, insert your and upload it. Here you can resize it. I don't know. And then you just click but before that, let's try to put it as a default for new message or for responses. Okay, and I'm gonna try again and it's working. Okay, let's try to send an email, for example. I'm gonna just write my phone. So here, as you can see, I just copy and paste everything. Here, if you don't have it, automatically you click on signature, you choose. I did choose mine here, or I'm gonna try like to refresh it. Click again on insert, and here you can see that it goes automatically. Okay, hope this video helps you. Thumbs up. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next one.